Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to use a weed eater so you can weed eat the grass. Now let's get to the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you got plenty of gas. Now let's get it cranked up. Okay, so I've made sure that I've had brand new line on my weed eater. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is prime it. Hit this about 10 times, fill that primer up with gas. Flip this on 1. Give it a few pulls. So what we're going to be going over today in this video is right along this fence. We recently mowed. I'm going to show you how to come back and cut that grass that's sticking up high along the fence with the weed eater. We'll jump into doing the corner right here of the fence, and we'll also do some around the pool deck. I want to give you a real quick tip. When your weed eater line is getting ate up and it's about out of line, what you want to do is bump the bottom of your weed whacker, and that'll release more line out. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.